It has come, finally. The time has come. I got my new... I don't even want to spoil it. I'm gonna tease you guys. I'm gonna open it up. I don't even want to talk. I just want to open it right now. Came pretty fast. Came from China. It was supposed to get here yesterday. But I guess there was a delay. And ended up not coming tomorrow. But it came today. Had to stay up for it because FedEx wanted to see my ID before they could give it to me. So, oh my God, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this? Let's take it out. Let's take it out. Let's take it out. I am absolutely stoked for this. Let's see if you guys can get the hint. Yes. I've been seeing this camera for so long now. My buddy Alex has one. What the hell? What the hell's wrong with his shirt? Like dust on it. Or like someone fucking like stepped on it. You ever go to the clothing store and you see like the bottom rack t-shirt with the fucking dust on it? They gave me that one. Oh well, cool shirt though. I will be wearing that. Shout out to Insta360. We're sponsored by... No, I'm joking. I wish. Hopefully, hey, Insta360, if you're watching this, hey, hook your boy up. Sponsorship. Because I will be using this camera. So, I bought the Insta360 with the motorcycle kit bundle. And I bought the X3. So, I'm not too sure on the differences. I don't think there is that much. I think the software is a tiny bit better on this one. And the one major difference is the display on the front is larger. I'm sure there's some other things. I don't know. First time buying Insta360, so first time having one. So this is all new to me. So I guess it's a cap. What's this thing? The motorcycle bundle. I guess this is the clip. It's hard doing this with one hand. But we must prevail, boys. I gotta put that down. Hold on. I am absolutely stoked. I feel like this is Christmas for me. Hopefully this is the really long one, because I wasn't sure if I needed to buy like a really like XL, if they had like a really like long one for these. Like if you're familiar with like, you know, people who use the 360 camera, like a very popular motovlogger or motovlogger, what is his name? It's funny, I said he's popular and then I forget his name. Max Wrist with the super long stick on the back. I'm not entirely sure how to twist this. Does this just twist? How do I press down and then do a little twist action? Oh, it just... Okay. Oh, this isn't long. My friend, my buddy Alex, has this set up, but his isn't that long. I don't intend on having it like my buddy Alex. If you watch some of my previous videos, he has like the really, really long ass one. I probably not gonna make it that long, but I think this is a good extent of how long I'm gonna have it. This is like some sort of carbon fiber material or plastic. Seems fairly sturdy. I think that's a good length, and this will suffice, because I wanted the really long one sounded good in my head in theory, but this'll do. This'll do. Who knows? Could buy more later, but this is the Action Invisible selfie stick. And this is what comes in the motorcycle bundle. So if you do get the camera, I bought this from Insta360's website, so they have a lot of different bundle options. I can't remember off the top of my head, but this particular one is the motorcycle bundle. So this is what is included. You have the just generic claw mount that you can attach to your I guess mirror. Put that on there, or anything this claw can just wrap around, so use your imagination on that. 2 of these suction cup things. Now, I don't feel too comfortable using these, especially this is going to be like on a spurt bike, so I'm not going to use these. So let's, what is this? I am not sure what this is. Oh, it's a tool to crank that. Okay, cool. And this is just the end bit that goes there. Gives you nice tools. Nice assortment of attachments here. Different style ones. This is the just lens cover. This is nice and soft. But let's get to the main thing, the actual camera. Come on. Moment of truth. Here she is. Ta-da. Oh my god. Absolutely gorgeous camera. You know, I've been a hardcore GoPro fanboy for a while, but camera technology, and especially action camera market, has really expanded lately. And I've been keeping my eye on Insta360 and what they've been coming out with. Really cool stuff. The ingenuity on these cameras is really unique. The form factor, it's small, but it doesn't sacrifice the quality. I've been seeing footage of this, and it's on par, if not rivals GoPro. I believe this camera goes up to 5.7K, 30 FPS. Does it say on the box? Let's see, these are kind of the specs here. Yeah, 5.7K. There's a single lens mode, which is you can just record on one side of the camera. You can record on just a singular one if you would like, and a whole bunch of cool other stuff. But yeah, I'm excited and slightly terrified of having this expensive camera just dangling off the end of my bike. But I probably have to test that out for a bit, so it'll be a minute before y'all actually see some videos. I'm gonna tinker with it on my day off, but for now y'all will see the claw footage. So that's just kind of gonna be like the front facing, like how my bike is there. It'll kind of be like somewhere right there. Actually I won't be using this because I had forethought actually not using the claw because I already have a GoPro mount on my GoPro mount on my camera there. So I went ahead and bought GoPro attachment for the end of this, so I can just slot that in there. But it looks like damn, I bought the wrong thing. Well, this is like the right attachment, but I'm missing. I'll have to look through my GoPro parts because I'm missing like oh no, I'm not. Wait 1 second. This angle. So on my bike, I have a GoPro mount like right on, I believe the right side mirror, and then it's like right actually like on the mirror itself. So I'll have this kind of like my little Jimmy rig here, and it would be on my right mirror. So perfect. So yeah, you'll see, I guess, kind of like the front facing like view, and kind of like it facing back towards my helmet. So excited for that. I hope you all are too. And yeah, I am going to play around with that right now, and then I gotta get some rest because I have to go to work, and a day off. Actually, today's my Friday, and then I'm off. So I will be playing around with this camera tomorrow. Super excited. Are you excited, Pumpkin? Pumpkin says yes. But yeah, guys. Sick camera. If you don't already follow me on my social media platforms, I am on Instagram and TikTok. That is where you will see most of this footage, and also YouTube Shorts. So stay tuned for that sick content coming up, and I'll see you in the next video. Shout out Insta360. Bye.